Hi guys, I wanted to share a little video training with you about Facebook groups and how you can now have the option to interact in your group as yourself and also as your page and what the differences of those are. So this is my free group, Social Beehive, and you're very welcome to come and join us. It's facebook.com/groups/social BNI, and if you're on my Facebook page you'll see a link through to that as well. So when I go into my group and I am in here interacting as myself as Louise Brogan, if you scroll down the right hand side, there aren't any options here. It's just options to change into your languages. Okay, so if I post in here, I'm posting as Louise Brogan. Hi Louise, write something here. Okay, so currently making a video for YouTube on how to interact, oh terrible spelling, in your Facebook group as your page and as yourself. Okay, spelling, that's Grammarly, a little app called Grammarly that I use that just helps with the spelling. I type too fast and so half the time my spelling is a bit up the left. So let's see, we'll just do fire for fun. Okay, YouTube with a, take out the capital. Okay, so currently making a video. So if I post this in my group now, in Social Beehive, let's see how it looks. So it's posting as Louise Brogan. So then if I go up here to the left hand side and I change this and I say now I'm interacting as my page. Let's see what the difference is. So click on that, interacting as Social BNI, and suddenly down the right hand side we have a lot more options. Okay, so this is interesting. And I only discovered this because somebody had posted inside the Facebook Business Connect community that I'm in of Facebook group owners to ask Facebook how this happened, and I went and found out how it happened myself. So down here now we have the option to add members. So I can see my members here. I can add members here, so invite people who like your page to join this group. Embed the invite on my page if I want, and then this option here, so you have 7 new members to write a post to welcome them. So that's the difference. When I'm interacting as Louise Brogan, I don't have access to this extra stuff here, which is strange to me. I think you should have access both ways, and it's automatically keeping me as interacting as Louise Brogan and not as Social BNI. So I had to change over to interacting as my page. So take a moment to introduce yourself to the group. Okay, and now that is going to post as Social BNI. Now I can see here it says published by Louise Brogan. That's the bit that other people don't see. That's just the bits that I see. And just now. So that is the difference, and hopefully that's going to help you out if you're getting stuck as to why you can't find your extra options down the right hand side of your Facebook group. All right guys, thank you.